How are you, my friend? Welcome to the Instagram Masterclass. This is the welcome video. You will learn a lot of things from this Instagram Masterclass. Instagram marketing is nowadays trending topic because this is the best place grow your business. This is the best place find your audience. So therefore, I thought this is very important for everyone. People who are doing a business, people who are selling service, people who need to be famous. So Instagram is best platform for that. But you need to do it correctly. You should have good idea. You should have good knowledge how to do that. So I'm going to teach you how to do that properly. While I'm doing this Instagram masterclass, I am making another video session that is a case study about the Instagram. So how I am growing my Instagram account and what kind of thing I am doing on the Instagram platform, how I am creating my post, how I am doing research the hashtags, and there are a lot of stuff you will learn. Okay, you will learn a lot of things. See you with the next video and you will learn a lot. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. That will be great help to me. So give me a thumbs up, give me a comment. If you have any questions, you can ask from the comment section. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.